My friend Eric, who loves Cadillacs, I got two of them for you. We'll go quickly. This one is a DTS that came in, and for whatever reason, they cut the roof off of it. There's no roof on this Caddy. And also, they cut the top half of the trunk lid off. I do not know any reason why they would do this. I just don't, it doesn't make any sense to me. I'm stuttering, it makes no sense to me. Why wouldn't you just take the whole trunk lid? Anyways, this thing's junk. We'll look inside of it real quick. Oh man, mouse nest. Gross. So, and let's go check out this one. This one is a 1998 Deville. It's a pretty clean car, except for you put it in drive and it moves. Ooh. You put it in reverse and it's got no reverse. Pretty clean car, but bad transmission on a 98 Deville. A little bit of damage up front there. I don't know a lot of people that are putting transmissions into these anymore. So this one is probably gonna go into the crusher can.